on the opposite of the hinge. This is one of the new things they include, and this will help with installation. It'll help to sit the door on the bottom of the threshold of the door. That goes on this side, like that. And here's another new handy thing that they included. This goes on the handle side, opposite of the hinge, about 6 inches up from the bottom of the door. And it just sits in like that, and that'll help to tell you where this door should go and help with installation. This will rest up against that molding. Got my screws ready on the hinge side, and I have a level just to double check for plumb before I put the screws in. So I'm going to grab the door, set this on the bottom, and then butt this up tight against the trim and check for plumb and put my screws in the hinge side. Here we go. Check this. It's pretty much perfect. Looking good. Let's open it up. Nice. Okay, a little tip for you. On a windy day like it is today, be careful. It might be a good idea to just keep this locked into place, because I have seen these things just go flying and breaking. So watch out for that. Now on the inside of the hinge, you'll see some screw holes. You want to put some screws in there as well.